In memory of your dad, George Bruxma. If these hands could tell a tale, feelings from the start, they wrapped around the finger of his mother's loving heart. As time went on, they reached, they grabbed, they splashed, they waved goodbye, as off to school with mother near, trying not to cry. Then one day his hand reached out to one he loved so dear. They held her close so tenderly, their bond of love so clear. With bravery these hands then signed on the dotted line, he'd served this land courageously with all his heart and mind. Compassion in his hands would tell, they'd help the wounded troops in kindly tones, then comfort those, and by their bed he'd stoop. Oh, these yearning hands desired to hold his dearest one. Instead they'd write a note of love, and then the tears begun. Courageously these hands fought on to aid with those not well. For years his kindly touch was given, then home to wedding bells. Finally then, within these hands, he held her for so long. For his bride and country too, he sang the victory song. Not long it was, these loving hands held a newborn babe, then without a care at all, dried tears his eyes had made. These hands they held, they taught, they cared, correction needed be. His children loved to be right there, to sit upon his knee. The most important thing of all, they folded up in prayer. Every day they found that place. They knew the power there. If these hands could tell a tale, they'd say, keep fighting on. It's worth it all, oh struggling soul, 'cause soon your time is gone.